The Whoop MG is finally here. I'm so excited.
Today I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, show you what's inside, what do you get, and the full unboxing experience. Also, we're gonna set it up together, show you what went wrong with the prices and the different memberships, set up the new features like the ECG and the blood pressure. I literally woke up in the morning, fasted just to get the data accurate. So without further ado, let's begin.
This is literally more exciting than the release of the iPhone. It's been a long time coming. No kidding. Let's unbox the Whoop MG and unbox the gift package for the Whoop 4.0 to gift it to my lady and talk a little bit about what's going on. If you don't know, the Whoop released two new hardware, the Whoop 5.0 and the Whoop MG or medical grade. Honestly, I don't like the name. I thought they would call it an Ultra or a Pro or something, but I'm not complaining. Let's unbox the Whoop medical grade and talk about the different memberships and what went wrong. This is so satisfying. Unlock yourself. This is the package from inside, and this is the pouch which contains the Whoop. Oh, I like it. This is supposed to be smaller and lighter than this. Let's take off the Whoop 4.0 and compare. Oh, if you can see differences in the logo. The old one, the Whoop word is full, and the new one, the Whoop is just, if you can see, a W. This band is supposed to be more premium. We're gonna see now. And we got in the pack as well the wireless charger because we bought the Life membership, not the regular membership. And we're gonna talk about that in a bit. So what we get in the box is the Whoop itself, the battery pack, the wireless one, and a cable for charging. Comparison side by side, it's a little bit lighter, but not by much. It's literally unnoticeable unless you're holding them back to back like this. Is it smaller? Let's see. By a little margin, I would say couple of millimeters in the height, but nothing major. I wouldn't buy it just for difference in the size and the weight, but I would buy it for the new battery. This is supposed to be 14 days of battery life right now. Let's take this off. This is so satisfying. I've been waiting for this. Oh shit. It was a really big bummer that they didn't make the old bands compatible with the new Whoop. I get it because the new hardware is different and they had to make room for the ECG stuff. We will talk about it in a bit, but it's a really bummer that I have to buy everything brand new. Again, I already have 4 bands. This is so nice. I've been waiting to get a new band and a new look for a while. Okay, let's unbox the gift package that came for the 4.0, the old one. I'm gonna give it to my lady here. So let's see, what do we get in the package? Gift kit instructions. So what do we get? Oh, they give you a package to clean it and put it in the new package like that and give it as a gift. So the gift kit instructions. Let's see. Oh, new band, the tan one. That's crazy good. And they give you new stickers and an alcohol wipe. That's considerate. So you get a new band, an alcohol wipe to clean the old one. By the way, this is a new band and this is the old one, the damaged band. I will clean it to make it hygienic. Here, take off this. This is the old things and clean it. Put it with the new thing and put it inside the new package with the stickers. That's actually considerate. I like it. Also, they give you the option to buy a full year as a gift or just 2 extra months for free for the new member to try. If they want to get it, they would buy it themselves after the 2 months. So before we wrap the old one as a new gift up and set up the new one, let's dive into the different memberships and see what went wrong. As you can see, if we went to the new memberships, let's see what do we get. The first membership, which is called 1, we get the Whoop 5.0 and the wired charger, not the wireless charger. You get this thing with a built-in wire, I think a 1 meter thing. They call it the basic charger, the wired one. You get the recovery, sleep, and strain scores, and you get the steps and activity monitoring. This starts at 700 AED per year. I will leave the dollars on the screen. As you can see, you get the haptic alarm, you get the woman hormonal insights, you get VO2 max and heart rate zones. What you don't get is the stress monitor, the health monitor, the ECG of the blood pressure, and you don't get the irregular heart rhythm notifications. It only comes with the Whoop MG. So the next one is called Whoop Peak, and this is the second tier. You get the Whoop 5.0 device, the wireless battery pack, exact same as this one. This is at 920 dirhams per year. I will leave the dollars on the screen. You get the new battery, of course, everything gets the new battery. You get the wireless power pack with the beak. You get the new battery pack. You get everything regarding the recovery, sleep, and strain scores, the steps and activity monitoring, the haptic alarm, the women hormonal insights, the VO2 max and heart rate zones, the health span, which is a new feature. It's not available on the One membership. It's only available starting from the Beak membership. You get also the stress monitoring, you get the health monitoring, you don't get the heart screener, you don't get the irregular heart rhythm, and you don't get the blood pressure insights. So you only get with the Beak extra on the One, the stress monitor and the health monitor. You don't get the ECG stuff and the irregular heart rhythms, and you don't get the blood pressure insights. It's only available with the MG. Okay, so the last one is the Life membership, which in my opinion, this is exactly where things got so wrong with the Whoop. Let's basically start from scratch. What you get with the Life membership is the new hardware, the MG device, the medical grade. You get the wireless backpack and you get the SuperNet Lux band. This is the one that you were talking about. It's not the regular band like you saw in the old Whoop 4.0, the one they sent me with the gift package, okay? You get the same battery, the new battery, the 14 plus battery life. You get the wireless backpack, you get everything. You get the recovery and sleep and strain scores. You get the steps and activity, the haptic alarm, the women hormonal insights, the VO2 max, the health span with the Whoop age thing, the stress monitor, the health monitor, the heart screening, the irregular rhythm, the blood pressure insights. This is everything all in one. And this is costing a whopping 1,380 dirhams. I will leave the dollars on the screen. That's literally about $350 per year. That's a lot. And in my opinion, this is where Whoop didn't get things right, because they promised their customers free upgrade, which they already did with the One membership, as you can see here, but they took away some features, and that's wrong. In my opinion, I think Whoop should have merged the Beak and the One for free for the existing membership. So if you are a Whoop 4.0 member, you should automatically be enrolled in the Beak and get everything except for the blood pressure and the ECG, but they didn't do that. I think they made it seem like it's a free upgrade but with less features with the One. If you want to get the new stuff with the extra feature, you have to pay more, and that's wrong. And most of the Whoop audience target is not people like me. I literally bought the MG in a heartbeat, but most Whoop users are just casual gym goers and casual health enthusiasts. They are not hardcore athletes like me. So I think Whoop made a mistake which is reversible, or maybe I made the mistake. Quick update from Future Mikawi here. 2 new observations. First of all, the existing Whoop members get automatically enrolled in the Beak program, and they get the 5.0 for free if they extend for a full year. And also they have another option, which is if they don't want to extend for a full year, they can just pay a small fee for the new hardware without extending their month's membership. So you either buy a full year membership and you get the new hardware for free in the Beak program, or you pay
pay one-time fee to just get the device, the 5.0, and continue your existing membership. I hope that makes sense. So the new one membership is for the fully new customers that they haven't tried Whoop before. It makes sense for a lower price. They get a taste, not the full feature. It makes sense now. If they want the full Whoop experience, they have to pay more to get more. And also, I didn't mention the free trial program is such a nice gesture. You basically get 1 month for free and a pre-owned 4.0 for free. If you like what you're seeing, you can enroll into the one program and start paying the yearly membership starting from the one membership. So I think that's a win-win for everybody. So sorry for this confusion.
Okay, let's set up the new MG. Let's take a look on the app now. So this is my data today. As you can see, I already did 12.1 strain. The recovery is good, the sleep is good. Let's go to more. Yes, the Whoop MG. Let's pair it. Slide on the charger. As you can see, guys, let's slide it in like this. Next, does it have a charge? Let's hope so. Yes, it's connecting. Pair. As you can see, gift your 4.0, get 182 dirhams. That's like a credit you can use in the Whoop store. If we go to it's 100% charged, let's see what do we got now. If we go to health, we get the new health span, reveal my Whoop age. Let's see. Get a snapshot of what your health looks like today. Metrics that map your health. Whoop age is in control. Younger Whoop age is green. And this is on track. And when you get a bad Whoop age, it gets like in the orangey stuff. And this is the speedometer. Okay, this is balanced. This is trending faster than it should be. Ready to view your health span? Yes. 7 years younger, which is nice. That's nice. I'm actually happy with that. My age is 32. My Whoop age is 25.4. The plan is working. And my base of aging is, that's amazing. Negative 0.2x. That's crazy good. And your base of aging is still slow, so it's increased slightly. Keep an eye on this trend. Okay, what's contributing to my Whoop age? The sleep consistency, my hours of sleep, my time in heart rate zones, strength activity, my steps, my VO2 Max, which needs a lot of work, I think. Our HR is good. That's nice. My lean body mass is good. Your Whoop age, your chronological age is 32.3 and my Whoop age is 25.4. That's amazing. That's the base of aging. That's nice. So it's a good start. It's a good start. Let's see the health monitor. That's exactly the same as before. Let's see the heart screener. Set up ECG. Let's set it up. Confirm your suitability. I'm 22 years of age. I don't have a pacemaker, ICD, or other implanted stuff. I have not been diagnosed with AFib. I acknowledge that. Confirm the region, United Arab Emirates. Continue. What is ECG? It's a measure of your health electrical activity, which is evaluate your heart rate and rhythm. Okay. Take control of your heart health and Whoop. I see. How does it work? The electrical signals from your heart are detected through the EZ sensors and Whoop MG wire worn on the breast. I see. What an ECG report mean? Normal sinus, atrial fibrillation, AFib, low and high heart rate, inclusive. Okay, share results with the doctor. Take your first ECG. Okay, let's take it. The wrist location is on the right, as you can see, guys. Take a reading. Let's hold like that. Calibrating. Please keep your fingers on the... It takes about 30 seconds. That's nice. ECG reading successful. During your reading, irregular heartbeat, fainting, chest pain. Okay, so this is the first ECG report is pending. Oh, the first one is normal sinus rhythm, so nothing is bad, thank God. Everything is good. And I will show you a version of the report that's been generated. I'll send it to myself on WhatsApp and put it on the screen, okay? Now, let's get to the fun stuff, the blood pressure. What do we got? New blood pressure insights. Oh, cutting edge feature, pushing its boundaries of performance and fraud. Okay. What's the blood pressure? Is relevant for everyone, regardless of age? Okay. Why does blood, we know why does it matter, Whoop, come on. How does it work? The sensors, estimate of blood, oh, okay. Each morning, I have been diagnosed with no, I currently take no, I'm pregnant, no, none of the above. Please describe your blood pressure status. I have normal blood pressure, I think. I have a cuff, by the way. I have this cuff, by the way, and I take a reading every morning before food. I don't know if we should do that right now. Okay, what blood pressure personal well-being tool? A daily check-in to observe how blood, okay. Set your baseline to unlock cuffless readings. For the most accurate experience, your baseline uses the cuff measurement as one of the several inputs. Make sure to have your cuff ready. We have the cuff ready. Best practices for calibration: sit quietly for at least 5 minutes beforehand. No caffeine, eating, smoking. Ah, shit. For at least 2 hours, no alcohol consumed the night before. Avoid taking your readings if you're sick. Empty your bladder. Ah, shit. Sit with your feet flat on the floor and back supported. Arms supported or heart level. Okay, I will do this tomorrow morning. First thing in the morning, the usual readings I take, and I will put a montage on the screen and show you the baseline I took. So the next morning I woke up at 4:20. I took the regular blood pressure readings with the cuff. I followed the steps exactly to the T. I sat with my feet touching the ground. I just woke up, no food, no nothing. Let's take the first reading. It was 101 over 66. Second reading was 101 over 67, etc. I will continue doing this for 2 weeks and compare the results between the Whoop and the cuff. I will continue testing the blood pressure readings every morning for 2 weeks, and I will compare the readings I get from the Whoop MG and the reading I take with the Omron cuff, and I will share my Whoop age trend in 2 weeks, and I will share also the ECG readings and if it's accurate or not. Stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, I'm gonna be dropping soon a crazy comparison between the Oura Ring, the Ultra Human Ring, the Whoop MG, and the Apple Watch Ultra. You don't wanna miss this one. Go watch my Whoop 5.0 release reaction and get on the hype with me. Go watch it. I'll be waiting for you there.
Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly.